there's a railroad crossing. We're gonna go to this park again. Looks like it's a little rainy. Well, we'll stay here a little bit. Here's the bell. There's a lot of boats. Alright. Alright guys, we're at the Riverfront Park again. This is gonna be 2 this time. Forgot the 30 chime. I don't know if we're not gonna reach the 4:30 chime because it's raining right now. We're gonna wait until 4, which is about 10 more minutes. Alright. After the 4 p.m. chime, we'll do a few more characters in my bag. Here's the fireman statue behind the flowers. Looks cute. Kind of looks like Chase McCabe fireman, which is in the girlfriend named Natalia, the Lego minifigure character, or Lego City Undercover. I didn't do King's Court yet because I was about to start at Peekskill today. So I'm gonna come back when I get home. I'm going to play a quick 100% guide at King's Court. I finished at Fresco, Paradise Sands Airport, Lego City Airport, Uptown, Blackwell Bridge, Bluebell National Park, Fort Meadows, Arbor Bay Bridge, Cherry Tree Hills, and Arbor. Sorry about that. Alright, I'll wait for a little bit. So I'm going to do also I'm going to do I don't know, I forgot. You know what, I'll forget it. Train to Poughkeepsie's coming. Watch by the crossing. Just a few minutes about the bell. Alright, 1 more minute for the bell. Sounds like the New Hampshire Eagle Square Clock Tower. Here goes the train to the bridge. Yeah, I can't wait to see the next bell. Oh, okay, owner. Sorry about your ears. Oh. It's only 1.